Hello viewers, let's see how we can schedule a WhatsApp call or WhatsApp meeting, either audio or video. So first go to WhatsApp, open it, then come and click calls, then click this plus sign and schedule call, click it. First time, this is start time, click the date and adjust it, click OK, then time, it's start time, select hour and then minutes, or click this keyboard sign to feed digital time for your ease. So fix hour and then minutes, AM, PM, click OK. The below date and time is end of call or meeting, or click the remove end time button or deletion of end time call or end time meeting. You can also bring it back by pressing add end time. Click call type and either it's audio or video. Let me click video. Now click send and select the contact or group, send it. After sending, upon scheduled time, your WhatsApp will automatically SMS you and also a pop-up message. So if you open it, just click join, click camera if you would like to on off along with the speaker, or click camera. This type of interface appear. Click share link to share the same with others. And now send it. Now you can join the call, or to reschedule or cancel call meeting, just open that contact, edit event, and you can change start time, end time, remove end time, or call type, or cancel event. So click delete, click yes, and the meeting or the call has been cancelled. And now you are watching the receiver mobile. So in case if you send it, a pop-up message appear to the contact. So when he open, he can click join the call. So through this way, you can schedule your future meeting or calls in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.